Hello dear students, welcome to online classes. And in previous classes we have discussed the first chapter, The Fun They Had, which is written by Isaac Asimov, and it has been taken from Beehive book. Okay, there are two books, Beehive and Moments. Okay, so now in previous classes we have discussed first, second and third paragraphs. So today we will be continuing from paragraph number 4. Okay, so let's continue. Now you can see here that these are the components which will be used in future. Okay, because this story sets in future only. Okay, so now we will come to know what happened in paragraph number 4. Okay. Now, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Okay, now, in previous class, we have discussed the second paragraph and third paragraph. So, in third paragraph, that you know very well that what happened with the Margie. Margie was not doing, means Margie's performance was very poor. So her mother just took her and took that robotic teacher, also means mechanical teacher, to the county inspector for correcting it. Okay, for improvement. Okay, so here when she reads there, so now in this paragraph it is just describing, the writer is describing about the physical appearance of that county inspector, how he was looking at that moment. So he was round little man with a red face. So how he was looking? He was looking like what? A round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Okay, as you know that when we suffer from any disease like fever and cough and cold like that, so we just go to the doctor, and doctors have different weapons to use. Weapons means like a stethoscope and thermometer and all that things. Okay, so here that man was also ready with the tools and dials and wires to improve that mechanical teacher. Okay, he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. You know what? He smiled. Oh, that county inspector. He smiled at Margie. He became very happy to see Margie. Margie was there, so he just offered an apple to that girl. You know what? An apple a doctor keeps away. So he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. And after that, he just took that teacher where? Into the operation theatre. You can understand that where he can, means he could just repair that robotic teacher or mechanical teacher. Okay. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Okay, actually, you know what? She was just fed up with that robotic teacher, mechanical teacher. Who? Margie. So Margie was just praying. Margie was just wishing, and what she was wishing? She was wishing that that county inspector should not know how to repair it, how to collect all together, how to repair it, so that she will be very happy. She will not be have any mechanical teacher. She was just wishing it, and she was wishing also that it should take too much time to repair it. But what happened? After 1 hour only, it took only 1 hour. So after 1 hour, the operation was successful. Operation was successful means it repaired. That robotic teacher, that mechanical teacher was repaired. That county inspector had repaired it well, and after 1 hour, he just came back with the mechanical teacher. And how it was looking? There it was, again, large, black and ugly. Large, black and ugly. How it was looking, that mechanical teacher. You can understand that how the robotic teacher looks, how the robot looks, you can understand. So, okay. So with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Okay. when it was prepared, means when it was again there, so it was black, large and ugly, and all the lessons were shown there, and the question answers just like this. Okay, this is not a robotic teacher, but this is a smart class. So in this smart class, you can see the letters, see the content, see the words, all that things, and you can also see question answers also. So it was there in that robotic teacher, means mechanical teacher. That was not so, that wasn't so bad. Okay, that robotic teacher, mechanical teacher teaches, that's okay. That wasn't so bad. But what was bad according to Margie? Let's see. The part Margie hated. What was the part that Margie hated more? Let's see. See the meaning slot are given a space time of position. Okay, we'll see here. Okay, most was the slot where she hated to put homework and test papers. Okay, sorry. That teaching means explanation means everything is good, but the most part she hated, what was that? That was slot where she had to put homework and test papers. This was the important and most important thing that she hated more. Where she had to complete her homework, and she had to put the homework in slot, and she had to put the test paper also in that slot, and she always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Okay, see, as you know, 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 like that, it is the binary digit that computer can only understand the language of that 0 1 1 1 0 like that. We can't understand, but computer can understand it very easily. Okay, this is code. But here, when she was 6 years old, oh, Margie, okay, when Margie was 6 years old, so she was taught to learn how to use punch code. Punch code, I have told you the example, just you can take it as an example, that 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, like this is a binary digit that computer can read this language. Okay, but here when she was 6 years old, so she was taught to learn how to put the punch code, means all the homework, all tests, how she used to put in the slot in punch code. She just learned when she was 6 years old. And here also talk about the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Okay, you know very well, we had a very great personality in our India, that Miss Shakuntala. Shakuntala is known as what? Human calculator. She did not take too much time to calculate 5 digits into 6 digit number, means whatever the digits were there, she did not take time. So she was just like a calculator, means human calculator. She was just like, you can understand that she was very fast to calculate the marks, calculate the number. So here, she was just, means we can compare herself as a mechanical teacher. She was very fast to calculate. Okay, so, and mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So here, mechanical teacher, it is a robotic teacher, so it did not take too much time to calculate the marks without taking too much time. It was very easy to calculate it within taking a very less time. Okay, like if you have a calculator and when you enter anything, 5 digit numbers or 6 digit numbers or whatever, so you can get that answer very easily. Okay, so let's see the next paragraph number 5. Okay, so here in paragraph number 5 we will see that what happened in paragraph number 5. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Means after repair, means when he repaired that that robotic teacher, mechanical teacher, so he patted Margie's head. Patted Margie's head means he showed his love. Okay. So he was just pampering Margie. Okay. The inspector had smiled after he was finished. When he repaired that mechanical teacher, so he came back from his operation theater. Okay. So he just patted means Margie's head, means he just showed his love. And what he said to her mother? He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault." Means he also agreed. He also agreed this was not the fault of that girl, Margie. Okay. He informed to her mother. And what is the name of the mother? Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. Okay. So he informed that Mrs. Jones, here it is not your daughter's fault. It is the fault of the robotic means mechanical teacher, because it geared up to up means what, as she was 11 years old, so maybe that it was just geared up 10 level means 10 years or 11 years or 12 years or 30 years 13 years. Just like I have given an example, like if you are in class 9 and suppose you are supposed to give a class 10 paper, 11 paper, so you definitely you will be doing very worse and worse. Okay, so maybe this thing happened with her also. So what he said that I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 level. As she was 11 years old, and that geared up means you can understand, geared up means to a practice. What is that? Let's see. Adjusted to a particular standard or level. Okay. Means what? Means here, gear. Like we have a bike. In bike, there are gears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we kick or when we self-start, when we start our bike and when we put 5 gear at once, so definitely it will not move. So, and suppose we are just playing any game, like you people play so many types of games. So for the, if you have to raise the 10th level game, so for that you have to go through the means one by one, means stepwise, like first level, second level, third level, fourth level, like that only you can go up. Okay. But suppose you just open it and you just directly reach to the level number 15 or level number 20. So it will be very difficult to cross the first or second or third level. It will be very difficult. So it happened with this girl, Margie, because that mechanical teacher was just geared up as she was 11. So it was just geared up more than 11. Means like 12 years old or 13 years old. So because of that, she was doing worse and worse. Definitely anybody can do. Anybody. Okay, so what he replied? What he did? He said that I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. And he also accepted. He also agreed. He also informed her mother, Mrs. Jones, that if you talk about performance of your daughter, it is quite satisfactory, because he knew very well, because he repaired that mechanical teacher, so he understood that whose fault was there. So he replied, he just informed to her mother, Mrs. Jones, that it is not your daughter's fault, it is the fault of mechanical teacher, because it just geared up above her age. Okay. So now he said that now it will work properly and your daughter's performance is quite satisfactory. Now, and then again he just patted her and means he showed her love again. Okay. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away along together. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Okay. So here, she was disappointed. She was not happy with this activity incident, because she was just hoping that Countess Spectre will take this mechanical teacher for 1 month or 2 months with him only. He will just carry. But what happened here? what happened? That it repaired within 1 hour and it came back again. So she was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Means she was just praying, she was just hoping that what? That county inspector will take that mechanical teacher for 1 month or 2 months, like once it happened with the Tommy. Means Tommy's teacher away for a nearly month, because the history sector, means here that history sector was totally blank. Means now she was hoping and she hoped, and why did she hope like that? Because it happened with the with Tommy's teacher, when the Tommy's teacher was not working properly, because that history sector was totally blank. Nothing was there to teach in history. So because of that only, the county inspector had taken the Tommy's teacher for nearly 1 month. So at that time he was free to do anything. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? She was totally irritated. She was not happy with that at all. So she asked to Tommy, why would anyone to write about school? What is there? What is the special there in school? Why would anyone to write about school? I just want to know. So we will come to know in next class. Okay, thank you.